How to delete Among Us game account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or deactivate your Among Us game account. So if you are no longer playing and want to remove your account permanently, follow this simple step-by-step guide. And without further ado, let's get started. So, as you guys have noticed, there isn't a direct button to deactivate or delete your account in the Among Us game. But don't worry, we'll show you how you can delete your account even with that. So to do that, simply long press on the app icon and from there a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on app info and you will enter the app settings. Once you are on the app settings, in the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the option labeled Clear Data. Tap on that and from the pop-up menu that appears, simply tap on the Clear All Data option. And the app will ask you for the confirmation, so simply tap on OK. And after tapping on that, it will clear all the data of your game and also delete the account of your game. And that's it. That's how you can delete or deactivate your Among Us account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.